Okay, so we want the remainder when 3 to the power 48 is divided by 19. And so I'm not going to compute this big number, but I'm going to do it in small gradual jumps. So 3 to the power 4, that is 81. And the remainder when it's divided by 19 is 5. Simply because 81 minus some multiple of 19, in this case 4 times 19, which is 81 minus 76, equals to 5. This tells me that 3 to the power 4 leaves a remainder of 5. Second, I jump from 3 to the power 4 to 3 to the power of 8. And I do this by squaring. This tells me I can actually square the remainders as well to get 25, minus another 19 out here to get 6. This tells me that 3 to the power of 8 leaves a remainder of 6. And then finally, I jump from 3 to the power of 8 to 3 to the power of 48. 3 to the power of 48. And we can do 6 to the power of 6 now, in the same way we did before. And what we're saying is that when we have this here, whenever it's divided by 19, that remainder is going to be the same remainder as what we had up here. So how do we compute this remainder in this situation? Let's break down into smaller pieces. First, we have 6 to the power of 2. That's 36. Remainder equals to 36 minus 19 is 17. Then we have 6 to the power of 4. The remainder is equal to 17 squared, which, 6 to the power of 4 is, equals to 17 squared, which is 289. And we got to pull out any kind of multiples of 19 that are in here as well. And after you do that, the remainder is going to be 4. And then to get to 6 to the power of 6, that's going to be 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of 4. So we can do the same thing with the remainders themselves. We can do 17 times 4 is 68. Pull out any multiples of 19 once again. In this case, it's 3 times 19. And that is going to leave us with 11. And so the remainder is 11 for when 6 is raised to the power of 6 and divided by 19. Therefore, we trace it all the way back. That's the remainder for the original question itself.